So your channel just got rejected for monetization. What should you do next? In this video, I'm going to give you a clear step-by-step action plan that you can follow so that you can reapply the right way without getting rejected again. And the first thing that you should do if you get that email from YouTube telling you your monetization application is rejected, understand the email, understand the rejection email. Don't rush it. If you rush it without understanding the email, your chances of getting rejected again are very high. Very often YouTube are going to mention either repetitive content, reused content, policy violation, or invalid traffic. Even though it's still big, if they mention one of these four, it's still big, but they are going to mention something. So this is the first thing that you should understand. What is the main reason that they reject your application for monetization? If you understand this, then the next step that you are going to follow, you are going to do the things that are going to help you fix that issue. And that next step is audit your channel. Seriously audit your channel without bias. Review all the content that you posted and understand, is it your own content? Did you record the content yourself and post it? Is it AI content? If it is AI content, is it original in a sense that you didn't get it from other channel, you get it from the AI yourself? Do you have many content that you just create one content and use it multiple times? Seriously audit your channel. If you don't understand this, what you need to do is, whatever the reason, if maybe they said for repetitive content, take repetitive content, for example, and go to YouTube forum and search for repetitive content. This will give you a good idea of what exactly YouTube consider repetitive content. If they say reused content, this will give you that idea also. And so audit your channel and figure out the problem. And the next thing that you should do after you figure out the problem is remove all content on your channel that is even a little bit shady. If there is any content that is in around the gray area line on your channel, seriously just remove it. You need to stay on the safe side on YouTube. You don't want to have a channel that constantly you are wondering if your monetization is going to get rejected. You don't want to have a channel where you are constantly scared YouTube will update their terms and conditions, will update their monetization policy and reject your channel. You want to have a channel that is going to be sustainable. And for that reason, when you audit your channel, any content that you posted on the channel that is on the gray area, maybe reused content, maybe you just posted the content from other channel without seriously editing it. If you do that kind of thing, that you get a video from another channel and you add your video in the corner, you are just pointing the video, those kind of videos are trouble, really. So seriously delete all of those kind of videos. YouTube monetization policy is not going anywhere. So if you want to make money on YouTube, you have to find a way to really follow that policy. If they make a mistake, you can affiliate, of course, but in most cases, you have to just audit your channel and remove any content that is on the gray area. And the next thing that you can do is publish original content. This is going to help you a lot. In most cases, when you delete some content on your channel, the monetization threshold that you reach 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you might go down a little, especially with the watch time. And if you do, then it is the opportunity, yes, an opportunity for you to publish original content to fill out the gap that you get by deleting the content that is problematic. So this is very important. Try as much as possible before you reapply, record some original content and post it on your channel. This is going to help your channel a lot when you reapply for monetization. And the next thing that you need to do is remove any traffic source that you know is invalid or shady. Meaning, if you buy subscribers or if you buy views somewhere, or if you publish your link in some places where traffic is going to YouTube and the traffic is not really real humans, make sure you remove all those, because these are the kind of things that are going to get your channel terminated entirely. So if you have any traffic source, if you are driving traffic to your channel, to your videos from any source that can be considered invalid, meaning it's robot subscribers or robot views, make sure you remove those, because even if you get away with it today, YouTube are going to catch up. So it's better to just get rid of it and find a way to get real viewers and real subscribers to your channel. And the next thing is reapply for monetization only when you are confident you fix all the problems. Don't rush to reapply for monetization really, because you might just get rejected again. You want to do it right this time. So since you want to do it right this time, don't rush. Take all the time you need and clean up your channel. Remove any content that is problematic. Remove any traffic source that could be considered invalid by YouTube, and publish some original content. Then you can reapply for monetization. And I'm very confident if you follow these steps right and you implement this, you do all of this right, there is a very good chance when you reapply for monetization, you are going to get accepted. And just keep in mind that there are content that YouTube are okay with it. You can post on YouTube, you can get views and subscribers, but you cannot monetize those kind of content. So there are videos that are monetization friendly, and there are videos that are not monetization friendly, even though they do not violate YouTube terms and conditions. And if you want to learn more about this content, the content that are monetization friendly and the content that are not monetization friendly, you can watch this next video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.